Subscribe my Techie Bro YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.
Hello friends, welcome to my Techie Bro YouTube channel. In this video we are going to know what is hacking. Well, hacking is that special word. When we hear it we get thrilled to know about it. When we watch any movie in which they feature any hackers or any hacking scene, we start to admire all the hackers and we become desperate to know hacking. You may also have searched online about hacking tutorials. I have done. However, you might have not found a reliable source or any source that could have satisfied you. Good news for you, I will make a series of videos to introduce hacking, the operating systems hackers use, and also I will tell what things you can hack and how you can hack. So what is hacking? Hacking is unauthorized intrusion into a computer or a network. The person engaged in hacking activities is generally referred to as a hacker. This hacker may alter system or security features to accomplish a goal that differs from the original purpose of the system. In computer networking, hacking is any technical attempt to manipulate normal behavior of network connections and connected systems so as to gain access to the data they hold. It can be details of one's social accounts, credit cards, and websites, and photos, movies, and every other useful data he holds in his device and computer. In simple words, hacking means cracking and finding the weaknesses in the security system of any network, device, or computer and afterwards exploiting it to serve the purpose. The intrinsic aim of hacking, as it was introduced in 1950s and 1960s, is to find the weaknesses of network security so that they can be strengthened. Therefore, companies hire hackers to carry out some attacks on their websites to hack them and identify the compromised security issues and resolve them before they are exploited by black hat hackers. On the other hand, there are hackers who hack for malicious activities. They use hacking to steal credentials and later threaten the victims or blackmail them for ransom, to break down websites and publish contents against them, or to rob banks. I hope you get an idea about what is hacking. So that's all for this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching this video and I will see you in next video. Goodbye.